Sandur right now. So hi guys, doesn't this look like some foreign lake, like some foreign country lake? Guys, doesn't it look like the lake of America, Australia or anything? Guys, this is the lake none other than the Sandur district's Nariyalla Lake. Guys, this is in the Bellary district known as Sandur's Lake. And guys, and look at him enjoying the place in here. He's throwing stones in the river. And just look how fresh the lake looks. It looks really good, guys. So we are enjoying at our place in here and we will continue our journey. Guys, look at that. This is the sunset. Like in the same lake, there is the sunset happening. Look at the merge of the colors in the sky. It looks so amazing, guys. Just look at the, the sun just setting at the right time. We were so glad to come at the right time and see the sunset. It looks so good. Just look at the whole thing. It looks so good, guys. It's also perfect. The mountains, the sky, the merging of the sunset, everything. Everything is amazing. So if you ever pass by, guys, just come at the right time and look at it. It'll feel so wonderful. It'll feel like you're in nature. Love nature. Sandur's guest house. We are in the guest house of Sandur and we reached here yesterday night and stayed here for the night and we are going to Hampi and we are going to see how Hampi is. It has been so long since I saw Hampi, so it's going to be exciting. So let me take you along Hampi. What you're seeing here is Virupaksha temple. This is 700 years old, guys. It is 165 meters tall and 11 floors. Guys, look at it. Does it look that old? It looks so good, guys. It looks so tall. So we are in the trip of the Virupaksha temple. We are roaming around. We will give you further details. So guys, over here what you're seeing is the Virupaksha temple and over here is the Nandi, the three Nandis, that is Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. And these are the three types of, the three types of faces of Nandi. And this also means that you can do the, they do the Abhisheka of the Shiva 3 times. So this is really good, guys. We are getting on to the temple more and more. So guys, what you're seeing behind is none other than the Shiva Linga. Guys, this Shiva Linga is 500 years old according and guys, look at it looks so old and water is here 365 days, guys. This is 9 feet tall and this Shiva Linga is made out of only one stone. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that surprising? Guys, this is the Lakshmi Narayan monument, which has been damaged due to some reasons. But this is such a huge monument. This is 6.7 meters. This is a really huge, a really humongous type of monument. The structure, it looks so amazing, guys. There is the snake coiled and then the, the Narasimha is sitting on it and there is the happy face made by the government. And this monument was constructed the last year of King Krishna Deva Raya. and this is an amazing monument. Just look at it, and it's so tall. It's amazing, guys. So let's move on.
This is a monument in Hampi. So this is Ganesha, as you can see. The architecture has made it so beautifully. That is, he has made it so well. You can see that there is the stomach of Ganesha, and around it there is a snake. And there is each and every part very specifically the architecture has shown. So this looks a really special monument.
Guys, what you're seeing right behind is the Lotus Palace, and this palace was allowed only to the queens, to the women, and it's a beautiful palace. And its name is the Lotus Palace because lotus is the definition of beauty, and this is of course a definition of beauty. Just look behind it. It also looks like a lotus. It looks amazing, guys, isn't it? Doesn't it look amazing? Yeah, it's so good. And also there is, if you can see right behind there, that is a place where the guards used to be. And if you ever want to, ever notice natural AC, this is the best place. You can, and a well is also there here. Yeah, a beautiful well is also there. This is the perfect spot for a picnic, perfect spot to see how it is. So, and yes, we also have a friend of ours here. She's also with us, enjoying the beauty of everything. So she's also with us, having a lot of fun. So say hi. So let's move on. Guys, what you're seeing behind is a elephant stable. Guys, this is an elephant stable. It is, when Krishnadevaraya's, big elephants, huge elephants were, when he owned them, they had a really big stable like a room. It's such a good and huge stable, guys. It's very large, it's very big, and it is a proper stable for an elephant. Yeah. And it is also from outside it's small, but if you go inside it's huge, isn't it? Yeah. It's really huge, guys. So this is another spot which I would recommend you to come here because this is really nice. And many people come here, and it's a nice place to sit. Guys, what do you see behind me? A tree. But this tree is nothing like the normal tree. This tree is a really old tree. This is 164 years old tree, guys. This old tree in the Vijay Vittal temple right here behind me looks so good, so old, so beautiful. And this temple, I'm roaming around the temple and seeing all its special things. It is a definition of the richness of the whole temple. Guys, do you have a 50 rupees note right now? Cause go check this out. This is what you see here is the stone chariot. What you guys are seeing is the stone chariot. Guys, just look at this amazing, this historical, this great monument. It looks so amazing. It looks so good. Just look behind me, and it's so good. So in the Hampi, if you ever come to Hampi as a trip, and I'm requesting you do come to Hampi, and if you do, then you're not gonna miss this. Just look behind. This is the stone chariot which everyone wants to see. Go see this. Guys, the whole day at Hampi was actually wonderful. And we do not have the proper knowledge about all these temples and everything. And I would like to thank one person, Vishwanath uncle. He helped us a lot. He is the best guide because he helped us get to know about each and every information. what I didn't know. I learned a lot of information due to this, and because of watching this video, you might also want to come here and you have understood some information. So if you ever come to Hampi, please go to him. He's very knowledgeable. He's very accessible to you, and just if you ever want a guide, just go to him, because I of course don't know anything about this, and because of him I got to know different types of stories about Hampi and different types of monuments, and that's why the day over here in Hampi was very successful and happy.
ऋतु